Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with y'all the recipe for my hair growth oil, the oil that basically took my hair from this to what y'all see now. Okay, so quick backstory. I started to transition from a relaxer to my natural hair in 2020. What I did to transition was I kept my hair in braids, and every time I would take my hair down, I would just clip my ends and clip off the dead relaxed hair, because y'all, my hair was not thriving. I thought it was giving the girls tea, but it was not. Okay, my hair was brittle, it was thin, it was see-through. It just wasn't giving the girls what it needed to be given. So I decided to go ahead and transition and call it a day. Okay, so I have been rocking my natural hair, as y'all can see, since 2021, like full time. I got a comment the other day under one of my shorts that was asking for the recipe of my hair growth oil and what's in it. So I decided to go ahead and make a video today sharing with y'all what I use to grow my hair out, how I oil my hair, and what I use to grow my hair out. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So this is the bottle that I keep my hair growth oil in. We're gonna go ahead and start off with alma oil. As y'all can see, it's like down to the last drop. I gotta back up. I gotta back up for this oil. I absolutely love alma oil. Where I live, I have like a Middle Eastern store, and they sell alma oil, but I got this oil right here off of Amazon, and I got this one from my local Middle Eastern store. The next oil that I use is flaxseed oil. So I also got this oil from my local Middle Eastern store as well. Almond oil of some sort. I also use extra virgin olive oil. I got some jojoba oil. I got this from Whole Foods. This is another version of almond oil, so whatever almond oil you want to use, you can use that. This is almond oil right here. Of course, the tried and true Jamaican black castor oil. You cannot go wrong with Jamaican black castor oil. Neem oil, you can get it off Amazon. Again, I got mine from my local Middle Eastern store. Some years ago, I was putting some pumpkin seed oil in my oil mix. I haven't lately, mainly because I cannot get this freaking bottle to open anymore. I also put a few drops of peppermint oil. This one isn't a requirement, but if you want to, you can use some biotin. Argan oil. Now, this one is relatively new in my hair oil mix, but botana oil. I got this off a TikTok shop. Before I discovered it on TikTok, I had never heard of botana oil before, to be honest, but this is what it is. It comes in a solid form, and you just melt it on the stove or in the microwave, really whatever you want to do. And I just put it in my hair growth mix. Fair warning, this smells like burnt popcorn, to be honest. It doesn't smell good at all, but it is what it is. As long as it grows my hair, I really don't care what it smells like. I also put some rosemary oil in my hair as well. And I also use hemp seed oil. I love me some grapeseed oil in my hair oil mix. Like, this is a staple. As y'all can see, I've used a lot of this. It's a huge jar. I just got this from the grocery store along with the olive oil. I use this in my hair. I absolutely love it, y'all. If I just want a break and a breather from my hair oil mix, I also use this flaxseed and chebe oil from Hollywood Beauty brand. I get this from, you can find this at the beauty supply store, I believe, and Target. This has really made a big difference in my hair, in the past couple of years since I've been using it. I really like this oil. And I'm on my last few drops of Cocoa Nips and Honey oil by Camille Rose. I love this oil, y'all. It does have almond oil in it as well. So y'all, please pick this up. After I had my baby, my edges started to fall out. And I'm sure some of y'all are here from my little Operation Grow My Edges Out video. As y'all can see, this is what my edges are looking like right now. But if y'all want to catch up on my little Operation Grow My Edges Out series, yeah, go to my shorts and catch up. But anyways, once my edges started to fall out after I had my baby, I went on and got the Botana oil because I heard Botana oil is supposed to be really good with growing your hair out. So I am excited to see how this oil is going to help my edges and just help my hair in general. As y'all can see, my hair is just, it's thriving. It's doing really good so far. And I'm a happy camper. These are the oils that I've been using consistently since 2021. And this is the result, y'all. So there you have it, y'all. This is my hair oil mix. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you got any value out of today's video. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.